kids! Today, we are drawing fashion items for girls. Let's draw together. First, we draw the pretty high heels sandals. We are going to draw 4 stylish heels. Curvy straps crossing over, open toes, and tall block heel. So stylish sandals. So cute drawing. Girls, did you know that high heels make you look taller and help you walk with extra confidence? Wow, so fancy heels. Hey girls, do you like high heels? I like very much. High heel sandals are perfect for parties and special days. They go with dresses and make outfits sparkle. Our drawing looks so beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Next, we draw a cute handbag and nail polish. Girls love carrying little bags with their favorite things: lip gloss, keys, and tiny treasures. Now we are drawing the small nail polish bottle next to the handbag. Did you know that lipstick comes in so many colors? Pink, red, purple, to make smiles extra bright. Let's coloring.
Farmer in the dell.
Fantastic! Our drawing looks so beautiful. You are an awesome artist. Super star. Well done. Give yourself a big, big hug. Look at your drawing, little artists. Wow! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings.
The wife takes the child. The wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse. The child takes the nurse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow. The nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog. The cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cheese stands alone. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day. little lamb, little lamb, little lamb.